Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sydney. If you're new here, nice to meet you. And today I'm going to be doing a skeleton makeup Halloween look, and I hope you enjoy. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm just gonna start with some NYX Shine Killer. I should probably start by saying I don't wear foundation. I don't like it. I don't enjoy wearing it at all. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do some, like, I guess this is primer. Yeah, it's primer. Quick little side note / disclaimer. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't judge me too hard. If you are also not great at makeup, this is the video for you. Because I know the feeling when you go on YouTube and you're looking for a good little tutorial for makeup only to discover that everybody has way more skill than you'll ever have, but you still want to look good. You know, you want to look nice with your little makeup look. You don't want it to look like garbage. So now I'm going to take my little e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. Almost everything here is like a drugstore product, so it's a pretty cheap look. And then I have my little e.l.f. like pop-up brush. Just gonna, normally I would tell you make sure that you pat the brush off to make sure you don't look like too white or powdery or whatever, because that's what the beauty gurus normally say. But for this look, it kind of doesn't really matter, so just do you. I also don't like to wear foundation because it feels really nasty on my skin and it makes me break out even more than I already do. So now we're gonna move on to, what am I doing? Eyebrows. Move on to eyebrows. So right now I don't really have an eyebrow thing. I had been using my friend's makeup, her eyebrow pencil, but she has it, so like we just gonna work with what we got. So I have a little e.l.f. palette. It's in Nude. I literally just discovered that they have the name on the back of makeup. I didn't know that before. I always wondered how the beauty gurus remembered what they had. I'm gonna be using this color right here, the brown one, and this little teeny tiny brush that I found that's so cute and small. And I'm gonna fill in my brows with it because that's how we do. And then I have this little spoolie thing from an old thing. And I'm just gonna, oh, I look so pale right now. But that's just me because I haven't been in the sun in a while. Like, I don't know if this makes sense, so to speak, but I don't think I'm meant to be pale. Like, obviously that's like how I look right now, but I feel so much more like myself, and I look so much more like myself when I'm tanned. And like, I can tan, like, let me tell you, your girl can turn from fluorescent white to like brown, literally brown. Perks of being a mixed chick, I guess. Mixed with what though? Who knows? But yeah, I just haven't bothered to buy anything new for my eyebrows just because I don't do my eyebrows that often anymore. I used to like obsessively do my eyebrows. Like, I would not leave the house without doing my eyebrows. But now I just kind of don't care. And I don't want to be like dependent on a makeup product. So I'll usually just do it if I'm going out somewhere, if I want to look a little extra snazzy, you know? You know what? It doesn't even look the best, but it's gonna be covered by my hair anyways. So what's the difference? So now that we've done our eyebrows, we are going to do some eyeliner. So, oh, I have to show you the product like I'm a beauty guru, right? We're going to be using Revlon Colorstay eyeliner in the color black. Now, the best part about this look is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It can just be whatever.
I'm not interrupting you.
He's just standing there doing the chicken dance. You can't see him, but it's just weird. That's my brother.
Hi.
Whoa, did you hear that? That was my stomach.
Yep, I heard it. This all better go in the video.
But yeah, the best part about this eyeliner is that it doesn't have to look good because you're just gonna cover it up with eyeshadow anyways. Yeah, you want to get the waterline too. Oh, this brings me back to my emo days. There was a time when I was emo. And I kind of like did like a, not a wing, but like a little like extension of something there. So yes, I'm aware that this eyeliner doesn't look great on its own, but the best part is that it's not going to be on its own. Don't do anything crazy like toss your eyeliner into the Pacific Ocean, because we will be needing it again. So now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and my e.l.f. palette, same one, and I'm going to take the same color I used for my eyebrows. Honestly, it's the same thing. I'm gonna go in the crease. Now I think I have hooded eyes. At least that's, I think, what I've been told and what I gather from my research. What that means is I don't have a lot of like space. Like unless I go like this, you can't see my eyes. Like it covers. Do you know what I mean? So if you have hooded eyes, then I can show you what to do or what not to do, but hopefully what to do, because hopefully I succeed at this. And I'm also gonna take this one. I'm kind of mixing them. On camera, it kind of doesn't really look like I'm doing anything. It just looks like I'm tired. So just for you guys, I'm gonna put extra. Bring it down. When I literally have to hold my hair out of my face to do my makeup. So essentially this is just a smoky eye, to be honest with you, but like extra dark and spooky. Also, the best part about this is that if you want to hide your dark circles and your tiredness, everything, you can just extend it all the way down so it's around your face, and then nobody can tell they're dark circles. They're just skeleton eyes. Gotcha. But for the purpose of this look, I'm not going to do that, just in case you don't want to. I already have them extended automatically because dark circles. So now, just to add a little bit of a pop to our inner corners, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush. Technically it's a concealer brush, but it's small, so I just use it for highlighter. And we're gonna take our, literally, wow, this is not sponsored by e.l.f., but I wish, blush gems. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of our eyes, okay? What was that voice? Put a little bit of that highlight on your, what is it called? Cupid's bow. Because that's what the beauty gurus say to do. I'm just gonna, now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise in the color black. That seems to be a common theme here. Everything is black, just like my soul. And yeah, this is not the waterproof one, because honestly that thing is actually like waterproof, everything proof, like apocalypse proof. That thing does not come off like ever. And I'm literally gonna take this look off after. Honestly, the best part about darker makeup is that any mistakes that you make with like mascara or eyeliner are a lot harder to see, which is great if you don't know what you're doing. Like me. Did I just rhyme? That's great. I love that for me. What a poet. Rap queen. It wasn't even that good of a rhyme. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can barely even see the mascara on camera. I understand why the beauty gurus always wear fake lashes, but I currently cannot put on fake lashes and I hate them. In the mirror, this looks intense. Like there's a lot of mascara, but on camera, it's like barely anything. I mean, obviously you can do this look with foundation if you want, but I just don't like foundation. And I don't think that it's necessary for this look. Alright, and now for the fun part. And by fun, I mean slightly more difficult, but also pretty easy. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. Take the eyeliner, and we're going to draw the nose. So basically, I just kind of start it about here. And it kind of looks like, it's kind of gonna look like you just fell face forward into like some dog dookie. Since when do I say that? Since when does anybody say that? Who says that? Do you guys say that? Who says that? And just make sure that you pick an eyeliner that you like the smell of, because you're gonna be smelling it all night. So, here we have the nose. I'm gonna take this palette here, an Incredible Gray. This honestly isn't even mine either. Like, this is also my mom's. She just stole all of her makeup for a Halloween look. Go into the black and go over it to help kind of make it all. And now, you know what? I should really just use the same brush this time. You know what? We were learning and growing as individuals, because the last time I did this, I actually did this the other night, and I went to a party for it, and then I went with my friend, and then we literally just left afterwards and went to watch a movie because we're lame like that. So cool. And I'm gonna take this one. Honestly, I'm just using the same color the whole time for everything, and just really get it in there and tap off the excess. And then you can just kind of fade it a bit, you know, just kind of go like this. What is this voice that I just suddenly developed in using? I say developed as if I don't use that voice in day-to-day life. Low-key, I kind of look like a meerkat or something. To take it even further, and by further I mean the same distance, just a little bit farther. There's a little bit, you know, more. Just, what am I saying? I'm gonna take a little bit more of that black, and we're going to go in with the black shadow to make our cheeks look even more hollow than before. Wow, I like how humans are just out here like appropriating skeleton culture as if there aren't actual skeletons out there. Wow, I'm so ashamed to be wearing a skeleton as a costume. This is why the skeleton war was started. Okay, it kind of looks like a beard, but so now we really starting to look like a spooky skeleton. We're gonna do next. I'm gonna take this lipstick here, Pixi by Petra. Petra, yes, you make it in matte beige. Okay. And my friend got this for me, so I have no idea whether or not this is a drugstore product or like what it is, because I got it for Christmas. But you know what? I can't do this here. I'll be back. So I put on the lipstick. It kind of need to dry first, so while we wait for the lipstick to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take my, oh my gosh, it's e.l.f. again. Wow, I really like them because they're cheap and high quality. Highlighting brush and the same highlighter, and we're gonna do some highlight. Overexposure just highlighted my whole face. Wow, she's glowing. Ooh. Ooh, she's glowing, she's glowing. Ooh. I'm gonna take my little highlighter brush again. Technically it's a concealer brush, but I do what I want. Don't tell me what to do. I feel like I have mascara in my eye, and honestly I probably do. So now, next important step. See, what am I doing with my voice again? You're gonna take your eyeliner. Remember how I said keep this around because you're gonna need it. What I'm gonna do is essentially just, so now what we're gonna do, now I was actually thinking about this, and last time what I did, I used the eyeliner and I just drew lines, but I was kind of wondering, what if I used a brush and used the eyeshadow for that? But then I thought about it some more and I was like, yeah, we ain't doing that. But I mean, if you do try this, if you want to try it with eyeshadow, I mean, maybe give that a go. I honestly feel like I did a much better job at this last time I did this, but it's kind of the same thing, so. My mom is gonna kill me. I broke her eyeliner. It's okay. I didn't do it. It's fine. So, this is essentially the final look. Yeah, we did it. And I gotta say, I like it. I think I did a better job with the sides this time. Not as good of a job on the lips, but it's kind of the same thing. And yeah, I mean, I'll insert pictures somewhere to show you how it was before and how this look looks now. And I gotta say, like, I know if you were like me, you're worried about how am I gonna eat or like drink anything with this stuff on my mouth. And the answer is, honey, this lipstick and this eyeliner, somehow it just stayed on. Like, it didn't really smudge, it didn't really come off. It was pretty good, honestly. So thanks, Lynn, for buying me this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll just continue to be a skeleton and wear this around my house because I have nowhere to go because I just filmed this video for no anyways. Please like this video, subscribe, comment down below, share this video. Yeah, please subscribe, come back. Thanks for watching.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom.